Welcome. Today we'll transform simple scrap wood into a beautiful handmade wall clock. First, the wood pieces are cut, shaped, and carefully sanded to create a smooth finish. Then they are arranged into a perfect circular design and polished to highlight the natural wood grain. Finally, the clock mechanism, hands, and numbers are installed, bringing the project to life. It's amazing how discarded wood can become a stylish piece of home decor. Enjoy the complete making process, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY woodworking projects.